Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to unprotect any sheet. Okay, so if you want to edit anything in any sheet and you will get a pop-up. Okay, as I want to edit this one, here you will see the pop-up is the cell or chart you are trying to change this unprotected sheet. To make changes and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Okay, so now how to just unprotect this. First, if it is protected with password, you have to enter a password here. Okay, if it is not protected with password, you have to just here you will see format option. Okay, so what you have to do, here you will see format option. Just click on this format option, and then here you will see at the bottom unprotected sheet. Just click on this unprotected and your sheet will be unprotected. There is a one way also by which you can unprotect it. You have to just go to review. Okay, here you will see review option. Just click on review and here you will see protected. If it is protected, here just unprotect. So like this you can unprotect any sheet in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos on Microsoft Word. Thanks for